Hello all and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can install a library in PyCharm. But before we start, like the video and subscribe for more. Now, there are two ways to install a library. The first way is to left-click on the up left corner in Section File. Then choose Settings. Then in the project section, 1am, choosing the Python interpreter option. Then I left-click on the plus sign, and now I can type and install any library I want. Let's type pandas, and then press install package. I am waiting for a message that says that my library has installed. You see this message on a green box. It says that my library is successfully installed. Let's close this window. The other way is by opening the terminal window and type pip install and the name of the library. Let's type again pip install numpy and let's see what will happen. We see that Python prints a message that the library is already installed. It also says that I could update the library to contain the latest version. I can update the library by typing pip install --upgrade and the name of the library. If I type pip install --upgrade numpy, the PyCharm will update the library with the latest version. The PyCharm informed me that there is available a latest version of the library. So I type pip install --upgrade pip and the PyCharm starts to upgrade the library. I am waiting a few seconds. This would not take long. The upgrade is finished. Thank you very much for watching.